right, 6:07 is the time. We want to get to your reporter Joel Hillen at the desk.
Joel, we know you've been keeping an eye on the camera and conditions across the high country.
Yeah, it's kind of a mess as you get west of the Hogback especially, but I just want to mention that we are getting a new crash that's being called in Pulse Point. This is going to be South Metro Fire is going to be responding to a crash C470 right near Broadway as well. It looks like there are several folks headed out that direction. I want to show you some of the tools that we use to keep an eye on all of the conditions, and here we are up into the high country, and I want to start. See these numbers along here? These are the numbers of each of the cameras that we have there along the bottom of your screen, but I'll blow this up. This is what it looks like along 285 as you to Parmalee Gulch Road. Just tough, icy snowpack conditions. That's what we're seeing across the high country. This along I-70 as you get to US 6, and look at that, just completely snowpacked. You can't see an ounce of pavement along there. I want to show you C470 in Kipling, and it's nearby as you get along C470 there at Broadway that we have that other accident this morning. So Brian and Michelle, we do have passenger traction laws that are in effect and commercial chain laws that are in effect for I-70. We've already seen several closures this morning as we've had cars spin off the road, including semis that get stuck and stalled. Make sure your car is winter driving ready if you are planning on heading westbound along I-70.
Yeah, first significant snowfall of the year so far, so we're definitely seeing the results of that, unfortunately. All right, Joel, thank you. Here's a look at the full list of schools around the metro area that are closed or delayed today.
Yeah, so the list is growing.
Yes.
So you definitely want to check that list throughout the morning on our website at cbscolorado.com. There's also a closure and cancellation ticker running at the bottom of your screen.
Now, because of the snow, Denver has enacted its cold weather shelter plan as long as these conditions continue. Families in need of shelter should go to the Inn at the Highland on Zunai Street. There are other shelters for men, women, and kids.
For more information on shelters throughout the Denver metro